Now this is the big blue dumpster they put up twice a week out here between about mid-January through mid-February. It's about as packed as it's gonna get out here. A lot of people. Everybody's setting up, going to the big tent over there in the RV show, the gold mining, gold panning, and metal detector shows, the mineral and gem shows. It's really kind of interesting how many people get on out here. But in another 2 weeks, about mid-February, most of these folks are going to split, and it's going to be left with me and everybody else who's just trying to get out of the snowfall. Take care. Technically, you cannot be closer than 15 feet with an RV out here on the LTVA. It's because of fire and safety. If one catches on fire, the possibility of it lighting your camper on fire is higher. Got people getting pretty close, but it's not bad. That means folks can pull up pretty close to everybody else, but there's space is a minimum out here right now when you have so many people coming out for all the shows, all the tent show, gem show, all that stuff, RV show. But we're packing in, people coming in all the time. It's really interesting. And it all fades away about middle February, maybe even before that. But we got a pretty good crowd in right now. I've got a cold and windy day sandwich going on here. A grilled cheese, ham and grilled cheese with a green chili. Working on the process of cooking it and not smoke myself out of the trailer. It's really cold outside. I'm really not into setting up any kind of barbecue or any kind of outside food at all. We'll see how this goes. I'll keep you up to date in a second. We're getting just about right. Smoking up a little bit, but not bad. I got the melt kind of the way I want it. The ham in there is kind of a thick slice from the deli over in Quartzsite, Coyote Market. And that's about where I'm going to leave it here. I'm liking it's a muffin more than a grilled cheese sandwich on, but I couldn't find any regular sourdough bread. So that's my meal for today. I don't know. I'm not a 5-star chef, but I'm pretty good cooking myself up a cold day sandwich. I hate the wind, but I love my grilled cheese.